I got my breakfast there. But right now, I'm going to fill my blood pressure medicine up. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Love Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. When I think about you, my feelings can't hydrothyroxine. So that's what I take. I take hydrothyroxine. After all this time, and things will never change. Basically, that's what this weight loss journey is all about. So we are excited about Black Friday. We're going to have weight loss superstars on, nutritionists on, to talk to us about nutrition, weight loss, and to keep us encouraged. This is it. We are closing out the year. I want to encourage those of us who want to lose weight, who want to get healthy, who want to feel better, who want our knees to stop hurting, and all that good stuff. I want us to set a goal to just try one thing. Ooh, Alexa, what's today's date? So we're going to take this. This is my vitamin D, which I just take once a month, twice a month. So I just put it in there to remind me to take it. The 15th. Oh, yeah, I think I can take it. I will take it. Okay. So I also take, show me your full voice. What does that mean? I also take lisinopril. They increased this lisinopril to 40. I used to take 10. So I'm going to talk to that doctor and say, can you take this down? Oh, you want me to sing? Okay. Well, if you wanted me to sing, how about you send me a cash app if you want me to sing? Cash app me, and then I will sing for you. Yes, I will. Miss Debra certainly will. But in the meantime, and in between time, let's see. 9, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Okay. So I need to get a refill on my vitamin E anyway. And for us who struggle with our obesity, this is lisinopril. I gotta go lisinopril, vitamin D, hydrothyroxine, alpranolol. This is for gout, and so I don't know about these. He's talking about this bottle say no refills. I think I like it that way. I think Miss Debra can manage her own uric acid, and I don't need this pill to do it. So we're going to be through with this. I have made the decision, because if I wait on my doctor to make it, he'll never say take me off of medicines. You know that. My doctor will never say it. And so Miss Debra going to make an executive decision, okay? How about no more allopurinol, okay? How about that? How about that one? I know I'm going to get an email saying it's time for your Okay, this is a new one. Allodipine. So he talking about, he think he finna make me just keep me on medication. Man, you got me messed up. 1, 2, okay, so that's 1, 2. You got me messed up. You got me messed up. Because Miss Debra don't be doing all of that, honey. No, she don't. No, she don't. No, she don't. Miss Debra, she is the master of her own fate. She tells her body what to do, and not by her body telling her what to do. We are gonna, me and Michelle, we will be having another session, because we had